The crowd roars. The scoreboard ticks down. One final shot, one moment that defines a legacy. But what if the coach was an algorithm, the analyst was an AI, and your favorite athlete was optimized by code? Welcome to the future of sports, where artificial intelligence is rewriting the playbook. But in a world ruled by data, can we still feel the soul of the game? Close-up of a basketball dropping through the hoop. Binary code transitioning into a cheering crowd. AI-powered cameras tracking players mid-match. Futuristic dashboards in locker rooms. From the NFL to the NBA, AI is already on the field, and it's doing more than tracking stats. It's revolutionizing how the game is played, coached, and experienced. We're witnessing a digital takeover, where algorithms and data are as crucial as athletic prowess. Imagine a world where every pass, every tackle, every strategic decision is informed by the power of artificial intelligence. This isn't science fiction, it's the reality of modern sports. 70% of fans want real-time AI insights during games. They crave deeper engagement, wanting to understand the why behind every play. This demand is fueling a surge in AI-driven fan experiences, transforming passive spectators into active participants. Over 54% now use AI as their main sports news source. Traditional sports reporting is being augmented, and in some cases, replaced by AI-generated content that offers personalized news feeds, instant highlight reels, and data-driven analysis. The speed and efficiency of AI are reshaping how fans consume sports information. Teams use AI for player scouting, injury prediction, and tactical modeling. AI algorithms sift through vast data sets to identify hidden talent, predict potential injuries before they occur, and develop game-winning strategies based on simulations and historical data. This gives teams a competitive edge, optimizing performance and minimizing risks. Coaches are now leveraging AI dashboards to gain unprecedented insights into player performance. They can analyze everything from running speeds and reaction times to fatigue levels and biomechanics. This data empowers them to make informed decisions about training regimens, player rotations, and in-game adjustments, maximizing each athlete's potential. AI is also playing a crucial role in injury prevention. By analyzing player movements and biomechanics, AI algorithms can identify subtle indicators of potential stress or weakness. This allows trainers and medical staff to intervene early, implementing targeted interventions to prevent injuries before they sideline athletes. General managers are using AI to revolutionize the player acquisition process. AI algorithms can analyze vast datasets of player statistics, scouting reports, and even social media activity to identify hidden gems and assess their potential fit within a team's culture and strategy. This data-driven approach helps teams make smarter draft picks and trades, building a competitive roster for the long term. It's no longer just coaches watching game tape, it's neural networks breaking down every move, predicting strategies, and even calling plays before they happen. The human element of coaching is now augmented by the analytical power of AI, creating a synergy that's transforming the game. This fusion of human intuition and artificial intelligence is ushering in a new era of strategic depth and competitive intensity. The future of sports is here, and it's powered by AI. From enhancing fan experiences to optimizing player performance and revolutionizing team strategy, artificial intelligence is reshaping every aspect of the game. As AI technology continues to evolve, we can expect even more profound transformations in the world of sports, creating new opportunities and challenges for athletes, coaches, and fans alike. The roar of the crowd, the thrill of the competition, these are timeless. But the way we connect with sports is undergoing a seismic shift. It's not just about what's happening on the field anymore. It's fundamentally changing how we watch, engage, and ultimately experience the games we love. We're entering an era where technology personalizes every aspect of the fan journey. Consider this: 27% of fans are not just interested, but actively willing to pay for personalized, AI-powered sports features. This isn't a niche desire, it's a significant portion of the fan base craving a more tailored and immersive experience. They want to dive deeper into the stats, access unique camera angles, and receive real-time insights that enhance their understanding and enjoyment of the game. The surprising part? Over 59% of fans trust AI-generated sports content more than traditional sources like Google searches. This speaks volumes about the perceived objectivity and accuracy of AI in delivering sports information. Fans are recognizing that AI can provide unbiased analysis and data-driven insights, cutting through the noise and delivering the facts. You don't just passively watch the game anymore, you actively experience it through your own personalized lens. Imagine custom stats popping up in real time, AI-curated highlights delivered instantly after a big play. Every angle, every replay, every piece of data is tailored specifically to your interests and preferences. 27% of fans would pay for personalized, AI-powered sports features. This demonstrates a clear market demand for enhanced and customized sports experiences. Over 59% trust AI-generated sports content more than Google. This highlights a growing confidence in AI's ability to deliver accurate and unbiased sports information. You don't just watch the game anymore, you experience it through your own lens. Custom stats, AI-curated highlights, every play, tailored to you. The future of sports isn't just about the game itself, it's about the personalized journey each fan embarks on. As automation and AI become increasingly prevalent in the world of sports, we're seeing machines learn to replicate the very essence of excitement. AI algorithms are now capable of generating realistic crowd noises, predicting player movements with uncanny accuracy, and even creating entirely new sporting events. But as machines learn to replicate excitement, and as technology continues to permeate every aspect of the game, some fans are beginning to ask a crucial question. What happens to the soul of sport? Is there a risk of losing the raw, unpredictable, and deeply human elements that make sports so captivating? How does AI analyze goals and offsides? Enter SAOT, semi-automated offside technology. Multiple cameras, often mounted under the stadium roof, track the exact movement of the ball and every player's body. Real-time tracking allows AI to calculate player positions and ball movement instantly, identifying potential offside situations. When SAOT detects a possible offside, it automatically sends an alert to the video assistant referee and the SAOT operator. The VR official reviews the information, including the exact moment the ball was kicked and the player's positions, before confirming or adjusting the on-field decision. After the decision, a 3D animation is generated, visualizing the offside situation for fans in the stadium and on television. Too much technology could detract from the excitement of live sports. Capgemini, 2025. This sentiment highlights a growing concern that the relentless pursuit of technological advancement in sports could inadvertently diminish the very qualities that make it so appealing. Over 50% of fans say something is missing from the modern sports experience. While technology can enhance certain aspects of the game, many feel that it also creates a sense of detachment and artificiality. No algorithm, no matter how sophisticated, can truly recreate the palpable electricity of a packed stadium, the collective roar of the crowd, or the shared experience of witnessing a moment of sporting brilliance. Nor can it replicate the agony of defeat, the raw emotion of a missed goal, or the camaraderie forged in the stands. Too much technology could detract from the excitement of live sports. Capgemini, 2025. It's a warning that we must heed as we continue to integrate technology into the world of sports. Over 50% of fans say something is missing. It's a call to preserve the human element, the passion, and the authenticity that lie at the heart of sports. No algorithm can recreate the electricity of a packed stadium or the heartbreak of a missed goal. These are the moments that define sports, the moments that stay with us long after the final whistle has blown. And they are the moments that we must strive to protect as we navigate the ever-evolving landscape of technology and automation. The truth is, AI can measure the game, but it can't feel it. Behind every stat is a story. Behind every player, a purpose. Behind every cheer, a human heartbeat. Behind every stat is a story. Behind every player, a purpose. Behind every cheer, a human heartbeat. The future of sports isn't AI versus humanity. It's AI with humanity. The future of sports isn't AI versus humanity. It's AI with humanity. Data will guide us, but passion will lead. And as long as there are fans in the stands, the spirit of sport will never be replaced. Data will guide us, but passion will lead. And as long as there are fans in the stands, the spirit of sport will never be replaced. This isn't the end of the game, it's just the next play.